Hey guys, Big Al with Safe Travel RV. One of the first things you want to install on your van conversion is a floor system. Now on my Ford Transit, I've ordered the bed rug that fits perfectly on the factory floor. It conforms to all the little ribs that are there. It gives you a bit of insulation, and it's also a great template for cutting out your plywood and your vinyl flooring. So it's a perfect way to go. It's also a floating floor, which means there'll be no adhesive and there'll be no screws going through the sheet metal. So I don't have to worry about any rust or corrosion down the road. It's going to be quick, easy, and efficient. So this is the floor system I'm going with. There'll be no screws and there'll be no glue. This is the bed rug that I ordered off of Amazon. And as you can see, I was able to run some wiring underneath this in a little flat area of the floor of the van. And then I just added an extra piece here to compensate for this little step down. And I'm going to join all three pieces of this 5/8 inch Baltic birch using the biscuit joinery. You can use a lap joint, you can use dowels, but this will give us a nice solid floor with no screws, and all of your cabinets and appliances will hold it down.